So hi everybody, on the last video did some macro shooting out in the forest preserve, used a Canon R7 and my Laowa macro lens and a Neewer ring light that I brag about a lot. I love that thing, but the setup's kind of heavy. It's not something I'd probably want to carry all day. I don't know. It's I haven't weighed it, but it's noticeably it's a lot of weight in your hands there. So I was going to try something a little bit lighter and more compact. So I've got the OM-5, the OM system OM-5 Mark II with the 60mm Olympus macro lens, and on the flash I have put the high-end macro. This is a China knockoff. It's a copy basically of the Cygnus Tech or AK diffuser for macro shots. It's cheap. I got it on, I think, AliExpress. But this is the small version, and to my understanding and experience, it works exactly like the expensive diffuser. I'm guessing this is about 30 bucks or something like that now. The price kind of goes up and down with tariffs and everything, but it's affordable, and I get the same results. Let's put it that way. The flash I've got is this Godox IT32, which is tiny and not very powerful, actually. It's probably not ideal for macro, but I'm going to give it a shot and see how it works. The cool thing about this flash is if you want to get a different angle from your light, it's detachable. You just pull it off and your diffuser falls off too. But you pull the flash off and it's got a built-in transmitter here, so you can get it from any angle. You can do on camera or off camera. So I'll put my diffuser back on and we'll go give this a try. The ironic part of this is this diffuser actually stays on very well. It just happened to fall off when I was making a video. Got some wildflowers and a damselfly kind of wandering through here. I'll see if I can grab a shot of him if he comes back. Flowers can keep me entertained in the meantime. Might not even need a flash in this bright sun, but might not be in the sun the whole time either. Damselfly or a dragonfly? Damselfly it is. I don't want to get too close to him and scare him away. I got to do like a safety shot here. Okay, got one. Couple decent shots of him. I'm not sure what that is. It's a black speck when you look at it from a distance, but up close he looks kind of scary. Might be some kind of weevil. I'll look it up. There's an awesome butterfly here. I'm going to try to get a shot for you. Put the camera down though. I didn't bring my magnet for the nano. It's a little bit windy, but I'm going to try a stack. See what happens with it. I have to turn the power down on the flash a little bit. It might not be able to keep up. Let's go down 1/16. All right, stack doesn't look terrible. It's not very afraid. Just doing his business there. Oh, there, flew away. All right, we're kind of back here in the shade now where the flash may make a little bit more difference. And I'm going to try to get a close-up shot of this purple flower that hasn't really bloomed yet. I'm going to try to go 1-to-1 on this lens, take it all the way down. All right, ready? Oh, I was going to turn the flash back up too. Let's try that 1/16. Not strong enough on the flash. Let's go up to 1/4. I could drop the ISO down to F9 or the f-stop down to F9. I was at F11. Let's try this. Let's see how it turns out. It's better. So I mentioned the power on this thing is not great. Probably not the ideal flash for macro, but it does work. And it's handy if I want to pull this off and, like I said, get light from a different angle. Let's try that. Let's try to light it from the side. See if that gives it a different look or not. Yeah, I mean, definitely a different look. A little more shadowy. Let me try this one too. So I'm down here by the west branch of the DuPage River, and I hope I don't see a snake. Here's another damselfly I'm going to try to catch. It's just for convenience here. Oh, he's not going to stop. I think he saw me coming. I disregard that. As I was saying, though, I don't really want to see any snakes here. Maybe you can help me keep an eye out for them. Kind of an interesting batch of flowers here. Yeah. I dropped the flash back down. We're in some lighter. Go to 1/8. Flowers. Trying to. The wind keeps blowing them though. Kind of do a shot of this here. I'm gonna try to go 1-to-1 macro on it. Oh, but we got a damselfly first. All right, a couple shots of it. Let's try that flower now. All right, Couple of decently sharp shots there of the flower, 1-to-1. Let's see where this goes. Probably not very far. Yeah, turn into mud now. And I'm not properly equipped for that. I have sandals on, so. River sure is beautiful, isn't it? Family of ducks coming, floating down the river. Get over here in the shade so I'm not blinded, so you're not blinded. All right, so what have we learned today? I still think, as much as I love my OM system and Olympus gear, I think I like the results of the Canon setup with the Neewer ring flash better. But if you haven't seen the last video, go back and check it out and let me know what you think. The results of this with the OM system and the Godox flash versus the Canon and the ring flash. This is a makeshift, fake, like Cygnus Tech type diffuser. Does a good job, but there's just something about the results I get with that ring flash, and I'm not sure, I can't put my finger on it. Everything's just a little more clear, more crisp, and it does a fine job diffusing. So what have I learned doing macro over the past couple of summers? Well, first and foremost, if you see a black speck on a leaf, there's about a 99.9% chance that it's a bug of some kind, and there's about an 80% chance that it's a spider. So all those black specks that you think might just be, you know, something that fell or bug waste or whatever the case may be, it's usually a spider. And they don't move much, so you can't go by that. You got to zoom in on it and really make them big to see them. So, all right, let me know your thoughts, comments down below. Let me know OM system, OM-5 Mark II with the Godox little IT32 Flash, or Canon with the Neewer ring flash. I think I'm partial to Canon, but I can be convinced either way. So let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you watching. Thanks. We'll see you on the next video.